Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Resident Evil Requiem fatal D3D error. So let's start with the first one, which is identify the error. So the fatal D3D error with code TXGI, which is on this one, causes Resident Evil Requiem to crash the desktop. So this Windows error dialog appears when the GPU is disconnected or becomes unresponsive during gameplay. Next is update the graphics drivers. So open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software and check your driver updates. So download and install the latest graphics driver, and then the outdated drivers are the top one cause for this error to happen. Next is modify the TDR registry values. So open Windows Registry Editor and then navigate to the H key local machine system, current control set controlled graphics driver, this one, and then create or modify TDR level or the D word, and then set it to 0. And TDR delay, which is the D word, set to 10 to prevent GPU timeout detection. Next is switch to DirectX version. So in Resident Evil's graphic settings, you can switch from DirectX 12 to DirectX 11. Also lower texture quality and disable V-Sync, which is DX11, is more stable and less likely to trigger the XGI error. Lastly is game running smoothly, so after applying these fixes, Resident Evil Requiem should run smoothly without the fatal D3D error. So you can now monitor your FPS and GPU temperature to ensure stable performance during gameplay. So if the error returns, your GPU may be overheating, so you can check the thermal paste and the fan speeds. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!